That's a good question because it depends on the patient's condition and social life. We usually do hair transplants at the age of after 30s, 35s, but also there are some individual patients like 18 or 19 that have a serious hair loss that changed their lives and self-confidence. I think we should give them their confidence about their hair, because hair loss in early 20s makes them feel unhappy, but also we prefer to do hair transplants between 18 to 70, I can say, generally. What can be the oldest age for hair transplant, if you may ask? We accept patients younger than 65 years old. It depends on the condition, but also there may be some health conditions that may be risky for after age of 65.